Today, I'll show you how to withdraw money from PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering your login details. Once you are signed in, check your PayPal balance on the home screen. This is the money currently available in your account. If your money is pending or on hold, you may not be able to withdraw it yet. You will need to wait until PayPal makes it available. Now tap your PayPal balance, then choose Transfer Money or Transfer. Next, select Transfer to your bank. If you have not linked a bank account yet, go to Wallet first. Tap Link a Bank or Add Bank Account. Enter your bank details and follow PayPal's verification steps. PayPal may ask you to confirm the bank before you can withdraw money to it. Once your bank is linked and confirmed, go back to your balance and choose Transfer Money again. Select the bank account where you want to send the money. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount is available in your PayPal balance. PayPal may show different transfer options. A standard transfer usually takes longer, but may have lower or no fees. An instant transfer may arrive faster, but it may include a fee and may only work with eligible banks or cards. Choose the transfer option that works best for you. Before confirming, review the details carefully. Check the amount, bank account, transfer speed, estimated arrival time, and any fees shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap Transfer, Confirm, or Transfer Now. PayPal should show a confirmation message after the withdrawal request is submitted. To check the status, go to Activity, find the withdrawal transaction, and open it. You can see if it is pending, processing, completed, or failed. If the transfer takes longer than expected, check that your bank details are correct and that your PayPal account has no limitations or verification requests. Also remember that withdrawal times and options can be different depending on your country, bank, currency, and account type. Never share your PayPal password, one-time code, bank login, or security details with anyone. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, tap your balance, choose Transfer Money, select your bank, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the withdrawal. And that's how you withdraw money from PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.